How to add phone number to Roblox account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for roblox.com and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the gear icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option in the menu that appears. Now, in the settings page, tap on the account info tab and you will see the phone number option. Tap on the add phone number option and further in the pop-up that appears, enter your phone number and then verify your phone number, and with this the phone number will be added. So this is how you can add phone number to Roblox account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.